I'm going to show you how I like to share documents in Zoom using Google Docs. And so first of all, I'm logged into Zoom. I'm going to host a meeting. And ordinarily, I would have somebody else on the other end of the call. And so what I would do, you notice that I did have a Google Doc opened here. So I've just gone and created a Google Doc. And then, so I'm going to share, we'll call this a roadmap. It doesn't really matter what the document is about. So that's automatically saving. So what I do in a Zoom meeting is I will go back to Zoom. Let me get back to Zoom. And then I will share my screen. So this is for all participants. And then I will go over and select this Google Doc here. Share. And in fact, I click on the Google Doc. And now both participants can see this screen because I'm sharing it on my screen. So, outline of the project, purpose of the project, etc. Project timeline, right? Whatever it is, prerequisites, whatever it is that I'm going to be sharing. Now I'm doing this by sharing my screen in Zoom. However, what I would really want to do is give them access to this exact same document. So I click on share. And then I will type in the name of the other person who I'm sharing it with. Okay. I'll share it with a different person. That's my other email address. So I hit send. And then what I do by sending that document, then that other person can actually go in and edit this same document as me at the same time. Now, so keep in mind what's happening here is that we are both looking at this one screen because I have shared that through Zoom. I'm going to stop the share now. But both of us have access to read and write the document. And you can do this with Google Docs. You can do this with Google Sheets. And what this does is it means that both of you can keep editing the same document after the meeting. So it's a great way of keeping a record of what it is that you've done. So just once again, I open a Google Doc, or it could be a Google form or I could open a Google Sheet, Google spreadsheet, but I'm opening just the document here under Google Docs, and then I am going into Zoom and I share my screen. So I open that Google Doc on that page and share my screen. Sorry, share this one. And then we can both type together at the same time whatever this document is. So this is a great way of keeping notes from your meeting, keeping a record of what it is that whatever your project is. And then you can stop sharing the screen, but people will you'll both still have access to that same document. So I'll stop the share and then I stop the meeting. And as you can see, the Google Doc is still there.